If you're looking for a portable projector that can go anywhere, the Miroir M190 might just be what you need. This compact, battery-powered mini projector is designed for travel, hotel stays, camping, or any situation where you want a quick and easy way to project movies, videos, or presentations. Weighing just under a pound, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to pack, yet it comes with features that make it surprisingly versatile. Let's start with its display capabilities. The Miroir M190 has a native resolution of 854 by 480 pixels, and it supports 1080p input. While it's not going to compete with high-end home theater projectors, it delivers a clear enough image for casual movie watching, gaming, or presentation use. It has a brightness of about 200 lumens, which means it works best in dark or dimly lit rooms. Any significant ambient light can wash out the image, so keep that in mind if you plan to use it during the day. One of the standout features of the M190 is its battery-powered portability. You can use it for up to 2 hours on a full charge, making it perfect for short movie nights or presentations on the go. It charges via USB-C, and a full charge takes about 4 to 5 hours. The projector also has a built-in kickstand that tilts up to 90 degrees, letting you project on walls or ceilings without needing a tripod or extra setup. When it comes to connectivity, the M190 is flexible. It has an HDMI port and a USB-C port that supports video input and charging. Audio is handled by a built-in 3-watt speaker, but for a more immersive sound experience, you can easily connect external speakers through the 3.5mm audio jack. It also features automatic vertical keystone correction, making it easier to adjust the image to fit your projection surface. In terms of performance, users love the M190 for its portability and convenience. It's ideal for casual movie nights, presentations, or even projecting on the ceiling for a unique viewing experience. However, the low brightness and 480p resolution mean it's best used in dark environments, and some users note that focus adjustments can be a little tricky at first. Overall, the Miroir M190 is a solid choice for anyone who wants a lightweight, battery-powered projector that's easy to carry and quick to set up. It's not meant to replace full-sized home theater projectors, but for travel, outdoor use, or small gatherings, it's an excellent option. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you learn more about the Miroir M190, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews, gadget insights, and portable device tips. Drop a comment below and let me know, would you use a battery-powered projector like this for movies, work, or travel? See you in the next video.